Yeah, and I guess it's not, the biofilm itself that is the scary part here, but what is in the biofilm, as you said, because we have some scary things living in the biofilm. So let me ask you this. What type of organisms are found in biofilm, and are they dangerous? If so, how dangerous?
Yeah, so great question. The types of organisms that you find in a typical biofilm are primarily bacterial. So again, I'm going to give you some names. You may or not be aware of these, but things like Pseudomonas, really nasty genus of bacteria that shows up quite often, E. coli, a lot of different Staphylococcus species. So if you've ever heard of a staph infection, that might be from kind of the generic staph species, or it might be from a methicillin resistant Staph aureus. So you get these bugs that are already resistant to antibiotic therapy, um, different viruses, Candida auris, which is kind of a really emerging fungal organism right now across the country, and just many others. It's really a hodgepodge, but those are probably some of the more primary types that you will see in these types of biofilm matrix.